Ditch Chrome, get Brave. Hey, I'm Mantechnic. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell below so you're notified when I post my latest updates. Let's get right into it.
We have breaking news. Let's head over to the desk. Here's Mantechnic.
So if you're anything like me, you've probably been using Google Chrome as your default browser on your laptop, your desktop, and your cell phone for the past 8 years. I don't really remember how long Google Chrome's been around, but I know that's the browser I've been using because it actually works. Well, recently, I ditched Google Chrome and switched over to Brave. If you have not downloaded the Brave browser, or you don't know what the Brave browser is, it's a natively ad-blocking browser which blocks all ads and trackers if you choose to. And it's developed by Brendan Eich, the founder of Mozilla, Firefox, and the creator of JavaScript. So one thing I noticed, I live overseas and I have a prepaid cell phone because I refuse to pay for a cell phone plan, is that 5 gigs of data that I'm using, I burn it up pretty quickly when I'm using Google Chrome and these other services that run ads and trackers in the background. So I switched over to Brave and I've noticed a 20% decrease in the amount of data that I'm using on my phone because those ads and trackers aren't running in the background. I've even noticed an increase in battery life on my iPhone, even though, Apple admitted to tweaking their devices a little bit so that you upgrade. Brave browser has, provided me a great browsing experience, especially on YouTube. I watch YouTube videos now without ads. It's awesome. The videos load. You save time when you're browsing the internet. You don't have these ads and trackers being thrown in your face and tracking your every movement and search online. So there's that privacy feature that I love about Brave. If you haven't checked it out, make sure you go to brave.com. You can download the browser on your cell phone, your desktop, your laptop. Try it out. See if you like it. Drop a note in the comments below and tell me what your experience has been with Brave. They've got great customer service. They've got a rocket chat set up where you can go in, learn more about the basic attention token, which is their crypto platform, as well as the Brave browser. Our internet experience has changed over the past 10 years with the amount of ads that we see. We're inundated by ads, and it's tough to discern what's an ad versus what is original content. And the Brave browser helps with that because when you go to a website like CNN, if you go to CNN or Fox News, those websites are littered with ads, right? If you're using an ad blocking extension, when you go to those websites, they ask you to add them to the whitelist so that they can play their ads so that they receive money. Well, if you use the Brave browser, you don't have to see those ads. You just log on to the site loads about 20 to 50% faster. You don't have, these pop-ups and ads all in your face, and your browsing experience is a lot more fluid and what you want to experience. So once again, if you haven't downloaded Brave, go make sure you check it out. It's in the App Store, in the Google Play Store, and you can download it on brave.com. I'm Mantechnic. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell below so you're notified when I post my latest updates. Be sure to hit that like button and drop a comment below as well. Check me out on Facebook at Mantechnic and my website, www.mantechnic.com. I'm Mantechnic. I'm out. Peace.